Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet 2755 printer software on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to go into Google, and you want to search for HP DeskJet 2755 drivers. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP DeskJet 2755 all-in-one printer software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down on this page and you want to expand the installation software and full/basic driver support and select the Easy Start Printer Setup software and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, you want to go ahead and open it up to run it. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser at this time, and then just proceed with the on-screen setup guide here about configuring it for your specific needs. And that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.